So, today we are going to be making a fan request by a person called Daisy Dew. So, in her fan request, she has requested to make a drawing game in Scratch.
Great. Now let's get started. The first thing we have to do is adding the pen extension. Making our sprite draw is the second one, and adding drawing tools is our third one.
We are going to be focusing on adding the pen extension and making our sprite draw. So let's get started. Here's a preview of what we are going to be making. Here are all of the blocks that we are going to be using in this project. This is the pen down block. The pen down block is just like a real life block. When we put our pen down, we see color/ink coming out of it. We also have a pen up block. When we put our pen up, we see that no ink is coming out of it. The erase all simply just erases all of the things that we have made with our pen. Get started by making a new project. Now let's delete the scratek and add a new sprite called Pencil. After that, we'll make a code where our pencil goes to our mouse pointer. For this, we'll need a when green flag clicked, forever loop. Now, let's say go to random position, and we'll change this to go to mouse pointer. Look at what we have made. Awesome, right? Here's where the real fun comes. Let's add the extension by clicking on this blue button. We are going to be adding the pen extension. Let's say erase all at the beginning of our code. So when we clicked, erase all of the drawing that we have done. Great. Now let's say pen down. So when we clicked, our pen will be down so we can draw. Now click on the green flag to see your code. See, now we are able to draw, but we are not really able to leave gaps. To stop this, we'll have to get a if-else statement. A if-else statement is just like a if statement. Let's say if pen down, and let's put the go to mouse pointer above this. So let's say if pen down, and in the little diamond we want to say if mouse down then pen down. Else we want to keep our pen up in the air. Great. Now let's see our masterpiece. You'll have to put this on full screen or it might not work properly. Now let's check this out. Awesome! In the next episode of this series, we'll learn how to make our pen size go above and how to change the pen's color. I would like to thank Daisy Dew because this game was really fun to make, and you might have doubted on why the color is not coming out of her pencil's tip. We are going to be resolving this by setting the pencil size to something else in the next episode.